So welcome to the channel, guys. I got a great quick weeknight recipe for you. It's something, I used to do this when I had a gas grill a lot. Everybody loved it. It's real simple. We're doing grilled pizza on a propane grill. You can do it on a charcoal grill. It's a little tougher, but this works perfect for a propane grill. Quick ingredient rundown. We have store-bought pizza dough. Little hack, if you ever go to your supermarket and all the pizza dough is still frozen solid, go to your local pizza place. They'll sell you a dough ball that's all proofed and ready to go.
For like $1.
Yeah, for like $1. It's cheap. It's cheap. So we got pizza dough.
They're gonna look at you funny, but they do.
They're like, what? You want a what?
Yeah, they will look at you funny.
Some basic pizza cheese. We're gonna dress that up a little bit with, I like a couple slices of provolone. For the sauce, you can do it. You can actually just buy the canned pizza sauce. I'm a big fan of the San Marzano tomato. I'm gonna have Jeff mix together spicy marinara with some San Marzano and some garlic. Chris is gonna shave an onion for us. It's all you, brother. I like sausage on my pizza, so I picked up some store-bought spicy sausage here. We're gonna slice that up and it's going to go on the pizza too. So I think I covered everything, right? Yeah. So obviously it's pizza, whatever toppings you want.
Spicy sausage, garlicky pizza.
Yes. On the grill though. The grill gives it a real nice
On the new grill,
flavor.
the Monument Grill, which I'm loving.
Stick around for another 3 minutes and you'll see how it comes out.
Very quick tonight.
Nate's got me on tomato sauce duty, so we started with the cans, the jarred sauce. How do you want me to do this? I know you wanted me to chunk it.
You gotta get your hands dirty. That's how you do it.
Do you want me to pour the sauce into that? And
No, just dig the tomatoes out.
So Nate just wants these rough chopped, right?
Yeah.
You want the whole thing?
I usually cut off the stem so you don't end up biting that in your pizza.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I know you're into that extra fiber, so you're just gonna leave it on.
Seeing as I can't make...
It was a piece of chicken fat.
Anyone see yeah, right?
So Nate, do you have anything to say about these San Marzano tomatoes?
Nah, they do taste better than pretty much any other tomato. They have a unique flavor. They're like more tomato, you know?
Almost garlicky. I mean, oily. What taste in there? Oil?
It's probably not oil, but they are packed in tomato juice. And I have tested, like, I've bought a bunch of different brands of non-San Marzano or ones that are similar to San Marzano, and it doesn't compare.
So for the record, these cost more than regular tomatoes, and Nate still bought them.
The jar?
The can, yeah.
The can.
Yeah.
So that's got to tell you something.
And I got raked over the coals because all they had was the, the organic. So I'm like,
Must have killed you.
you know, I picked them up and put them back, and picked them up and put them back. And then I was like, Jeff is worth it.
Nice.
Jeff is worth the
Nice.
organic tomatoes.
Yeah, this is the first time
And
I
used to them.
Right, and it's all he buys at his house, so.
Anyways, so we got this. So now we got Chris is gonna do the onions.
Well, I did bring my cutting board out for the onions, but what happened?
Yeah.
We got Halloween was last night. We had a bloodbath
We'll
here.
just
You guys gonna mention the spoons from,
So we got Patreon member, subscriber, Instagram friend,
Michelle.
Michelle.
Michelle P.
She sent us these spoons, custom made.
they're pretty awesome.
I got 3 of them.
We don't want to say your last name just because we don't know if you want us to say your
I
last
wonder,
name.
do you
but-
know if, like, did she order them custom made, or is this like a side business?
No, I'm
for her?
pretty sure that Amazon just sells Griddle Guy spoons.
Well, that's nice.
Michelle,
No,
very
I'm not
thoughtful.
sure. I'm not
Thank
sure.
you so much.
Yeah.
Sure.
And hopefully you don't get upset that we're actually going to use them and display them.
Yeah, we're going to do both.
No, these are nice.
Yeah, it was really
They're not
nice.
It's like an
Well
olive
done.
wood or something. It's really.
Yeah, nice and solid.
So
Thank you for that.
I'm going to get it right in there.
we get that. Chris, you're up.
We got the sauce on the side burner heating up. That's important. When you cook this, it's real tough to melt the cheese because there's not a lot of top heat on a propane grill. So you want to have your sauce hot. So that's sitting on the side burner now. Next step is the dough. There's no right or wrong way to do this. We're gonna oil up a cookie sheet.
I want to just correct you and say there's definitely a wrong way that you can do that, and I've done it many times. So
Yeah, what went wrong?
everything.
All right, well, I didn't think there was a wrong way. Like, was it too thick or what happened?
No, like one time I tried to pick up the whole thing and throw it on the grill, and it just fell apart in my hands after I oiled it in the kitchen before I could even get out to the
Was
grill.
this before it was cooked or after it was cooked?
Before. And then I decided to, I don't know, I'm assuming you're gonna do the same technique, but I used the cookie sheet And one time I didn't use oil, I used flour instead.
Ooh.
And I flipped it.
Jeff did find the wrong way to do it.
I flipped it onto the grill, and then I couldn't get the cookie sheet to separate.
So this is the way I do it. You're gonna spread the dough out as much as you can, and you gotta heavily oil both sides, and that's the reason for the sheet. So,
Nice.
you know, this dough's not really super proofed, but if you just kind of let it hang, you're not gonna have a perfect shape. You're basically looking for like a big oval, you know, kind of like that. That, like Jeff was saying, you can slap on the grill. I like to get it as thin as I can, just to make sure the dough cooks all the way through.
Well, that's not going to be a problem. We're doing it on both sides, right?
Yeah.
Nate is the first person to put me on to grilled pizza,
But how good does it taste?
and that was
right?
like 15 to 20 years ago. It was a long time.
Everybody loves it.
Oh, it's awesome. It's quick too. I mean,
And it's a simple, you know, it's quick, it's simple, it's a weeknight meal. And if you do it at Chris's house, you don't even have to do dishes.
yeah,
It's like perfect.
It's awesome. You cook, leave.
You know,
Cook, eat, leave.
You know, they said you sound like an owl.
Oh yeah? Why? All right, so I'm gonna let that relax a little bit. What's the grill at? Ooh, 624 degrees. So you want your grill hot.
Looks right out the window.
So you can do it one of two ways. Look out the window, or I could pull up my app.
And
Bang. 6:39 now.
that side
All right,
burner.
so we're ready to go.
We get the sauce in the side burner. Oh, you're right. Daring. I would not.
My technique is I do this, make a tent with my knuckles, get it down. I have no oil on the grill grate, nothing on the grill grate, but there's enough oil on the dough. So just sort of stretch it out like that,
600 degree.
650 degrees, and then you just don't touch it.
What are you going to use to flip that?
My fingers.
Again, okay.
Yep. Yeah, we're gonna let that cook on the bottom side. We'll check it after a little bit, so it's the color we like.
You thinking like 2 minutes?
A little
3
bit
minutes?
is only a couple minutes.
Yeah, 2
It was
minutes.
quick.
So it's the color we like. You know, if you like it light, it's light. I like it a little charry,
You
you
can
know,
see it starting to cook,
Yeah.
so you're not really concerned about cooking. as
getting
much.
cooked all the way through.
Yeah, because it's such a high heat.
And then once we flip it, you guys will see, but we flip it and sauce it right away so that there's more time for the sauce and cheese it, so that there's more time for the cheese to melt. I gotta go wipe the olive oil off my hand. Yeah, this is going good.
Do you want the toppings? Because that's going to be.
Yeah, grab the top.
I'll grab them. I got them done.
This is where I'll start to peak. You know, it looks like we get a lot of air bubbles here. I'm gonna pop a few of them. Separate this out a little bit. Yeah, it's starting to look like a nice dough. I don't know if the camera will catch that.
yeah.
That's good color. It's perfect.
Yeah, that's a good color. Got a little stickage over here, not much. So I'm just gonna work that a little bit. Make sure every bit of the dough gets a little bit of heat from the grill.
And temperature check, it's lower 40s, high 30s right now. It's definitely dipping.
Yeah,
You
it's
can see
cool
Nate's
outside.
breath.
It is November.
Yeah. I wish we could say we had it good this summer, but it really wasn't that great
was
of a
a
summer. A
wet
lot of rain.
summer.
That looks great.
I'm gonna let it go a little further. I actually like it,
All right.
you know, even a little bit more. Get that
Daring.
real char flavor.
Daring.
They're going to be more crisp on the other side. once
After you flip it?
Yeah, I would assume.
Yeah. I mean, I think they come out kind of close to each other, both sides. But I like it with that a little bit of char here and there.
Yeah.
And since I'm cooking it, you guys will have to live with how I like it. Sorry. All right. Yeah, I get a little black here and there. See that? Ah, that's what I was looking for. Hold that for me. Actually, this is quick. Whew, that's hot. All right.
Really?
Gonna have to be really quick.
Nice.
There you go. And now,
You want the spoon?
yeah, you got the spoon. Can you spread that sauce around?
Yeah.
And some ches.
This chunk of sauce. Might need a little more.
Yeah, see, so we might not have enough sauce for two.
This is jar sauce in there.
That's a good looking sauce. What do you think? Good?
Yeah, that's good. So you don't want to go with, like, if you go with an extra cheese pizza, it's going to be tough to get all the cheese melted. So a little lighter cheese.
If only we had some
Probably
sort
a
of flame that we could
little
kind
better.
of melt it from the top.
No particular order.
You mean the grill blazer, Jeff? Is that what you're thinking
so.
about?
Boy, somebody did an awesome job of cutting these onions.
And now I'm just going to go with sort of random pieces of provolone. Now, you got to get the sausage down. Come on, pick up the pace here, slacker.
Well, I didn't
Pick
know.
up the pace.
Blocking the camera.
You're going to have to hold that under Jeff's ass to get him moving
Nice,
on
nice.
putting these toppings down.
All right, all right. throw it
Thank
on.
you to Grill Blazer, our friends over there, Taylor. You rock, buddy. Thank you so much.
Awesome company.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. We have a link down below if anybody is interested. If you don't have one of these Grill Blazer guns, get one now. You'll love it. Promise.
And in that, if you don't have one, you don't have to have one. You can close the lid, put the heat on low, and the cheese will melt. Again, that's kind of why it's critical to have the sauce hot or warm. But since Chris is here and he loves playing with fire, have at it. All right.
Nice. He's even got the technique down now. All you gotta do is kiss it, right?
You can even hit it harder if you want. Go right with. I don't care if the cheese gets a little bubbly.
Don't you say that to me twice, Nate.
All right, that's looking good.
Did he throw enough onion on there?
He was real slow on the
slow on the
toppings.
onion?
Yeah, it's just, we're light on the onions, light on the sausage.
Nice. Nice.
So we'll let the bottom cook a little longer.
The bottom's
just
probably
really accelerated things right
bottom's probably
Do you have
done.
a
To be
cookie
honest
sheet to
with
put
you.
that on?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it right back on the.
Do you want me to go clean that?
Nah. Yeah, the bottom's done. We're ready to pull this. So.
You good? You want me to whack it again? All good?
Nah, I think I'm good. But my technique for pulling it is just like that. And that's it. We're done.
Nice. Get that
Nice
off.
big old pie.
1, 2, 3.
Done. Carry that guy inside and
Right.
start the next one. So that's it. You guys saw how quick it was on the grill. Like I said, this is an easy weeknight meal, but it's also something that people love. Has a much better flavor than you would think for such a simple recipe. You know?
Oh, yeah. Huge fan.
That one's yours, Jeff.
Nice. Do I have to wait?
Nah, dig right in. Taste the tomatoes at all? All right.
Not enough onion, Jeff?
Probably not enough onion.
Not enough
A little
onion,
light
no.
on the sausage.
Somebody really did a nice job of placing the sausage roll.
My first bite didn't have any sausage. 4 onion.
Give it a score, 1 to 20, considering difficulty and flavor. What do you think? 20 being super easy, super flavorful.
Once you get the system down and you do it a couple times, all day long you give this like a 16, 17, like pretty high up there. It really is. Once you get over that hump of what do I do, this could be, yeah, just like perfect.
Yeah, I'm the same. I'm at a 16, 17. I mean, that's a really good pizza for not a heavy lift. And you can get creative with it. Like if I was feeling a little more ambitious, I was gonna buy fresh basil
Yeah.
and clean it, and then I'm like, not that ambitious.
Roasted garlic.
Roasted garlic would be good. Some crushed.
What's the key about it? You can do any of them.
And I truly believe that this pizza, all the Griddle pizzas we've done, I just feel that they just taste better than just like the pizza shop pizza.
Oh yeah.
You know, your regular oven.
Yeah, there's
I mean-
something about the freshness.
There's always something.
I'll try and get the bottom of this crust on the camera. That natural fresh dough char. You know, see if you get that.
Good call.
Just tastes really good. So, anyways, we've gone on too long with this video because we're all sitting here enjoying it and stuffing our faces. You guys get the idea. Give it a try. Let us know how it comes out in the comments. You know, if you find a way to screw it up like Jeff did, let us know that too. That'll be funny.
Well, you guys have done both. Before we go, I just a quick question. Easy to do on the grill or easy to do on the griddle?
It's the same.
It's the same.
Yeah.
I find it no easier on one or the other.
Once you get past stretching the dough and your transfer method, how to get it onto the, I think they're both.
I consider them the same.
Yeah.
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 Yeah. Great
good
great
to know.
results.
Yeah. You can't be skimpy on the oil, otherwise the dough will bond, like Jeff said. The
Thanks
dough will
again,
bond.
Michelle, for those spoons. Those are
Thank
awesome.
you, Michelle.
Very cool. Cheers. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Have a good one.